going to be a discussion.
Using everything organically, growing everything organically, and without using any chemical or something like synthetic fertilizer, synthetic hormone used for the plant. That is really dangerous. Many people get poison. Many people raise their children become disabilities because of the effect of the poisonous fertilizer that happen right now. And also, I think many food that we eat right now is raised by using chemical. For example, one chicken that usually grow until 70 days or maybe 80 days normally. Now it can be raised and become ready to eat, and it's only about 1 month. 1 month and that can be harvested. That really makes us the effect of the consumption from the non-organic food that will cause many disabilities. That makes us become sick. That makes us sometimes people develop cancer from it. That carcinogenic and all kinds of disease that will affect people. That really dangerous. That is my dream job. I think that what I want to be the organic farmer.
MashaAllah. That's it. Alright. Any questions?
So I have to say good morning then.
MashaAllah.
Good morning, because how old are you?
I think I'm 21.
21. Okay. You are almost in my daughter age. My daughter is 20. My son is 30.
30.
Okay. Yeah, my son is 30 years old.
Oh, same like me.
Yeah. So, what I have seen in Indonesia, you go to any markets. In the markets, you all find the processed food.
Processed food, yeah, a lot.
Okay, this is first. Second, you go to any pharmacies, like pharmaceutica or small ones in the kampungs, you see. Whenever you want to buy any medicine, even though you want to buy a paracetamol, okay, they give you all the ones which has been grown into the laboratoriums, chemicals. So they give you some vitamins. The vitamins are producing into the laboratoriums with the chemicals. Even though for some very serious sickness, I'm not talking about the cancer, I'm talking about some others like liver problem, like others, you see. Whenever they examine, they see one thing. From the first day that you born, okay, whatever you are being fed, you get all these sickness, these disease from these foods. So Indonesia is definitely a laboratorium of Israel.
Is oil.
Do you know this? Indonesia is the laboratorium of Israel. Israel doesn't give the processed things directly to Indonesia. No. Using some countries, because Indonesia doesn't make that much business with Israel directly. Yeah. Like what they use, America.
Coca-Cola, yeah. Juice, yeah. From juice, yeah.
Directly Jewish. Forget it is Jewish.
Lemon, Danone.
Whenever you look at the Instagram there, you will see one thing. For example, they are promoting zero sugar. But even though it is zero sugar, so the test that what you get as cola test, it is burnt sugar,
caramel, yeah. Oh, come on, Paul, seriously.
So, zero sugar, but with caramel. What the fuck it is?
Yeah, caramel. You got me.
You got me.
The same, right?
Yeah. And even though some other like, I have seen some honey, which are selling in the markets. I checked them. They all, for example, saying lecithin 450. It is chemical. But honey has to be natural. Whenever, let's say, you want to buy chocolates,
Chocolate.
again, lecithin 450 chemical. So, whatever you buy from the markets directly, they are all produced